Hey guys, this is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to earn $32 a day just by playing games. Yes, you heard it correctly. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn real money just by playing games. You can do this even without experience in cryptocurrency. It's fun, convenient, and available all over the world. So come on, let's get started. If you like the video, drop your comments down below, hit like, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Today I'm going to share a few secrets that can help you generate money and build the life you want. So if you're on the same page, then go ahead and finish this video. It'll surely bring you lots of value. The first game on our list is Hunter Coin. It's a multiplayer game that you can play with other players. Graphics-wise, it isn't so impressive, but it does let you earn. This game is basically a strategy-based game that you play with others. Each coin that you collect has a corresponding value, and you can exchange them for cryptocurrency. Now, this game has a lot of great reviews, so let us know in the comments down below if you end up trying this one. The second game on our list is called Splinterlands. Now, this game requires you to have a bit more patience as it involves collecting cards and fighting against other players. You can play and trade anytime. The most important thing to note is that you can earn for every win. This game has paid its users over $200,000 in tournament prizes. Sick, right? You can definitely ride along with this trend by playing the game. Splinterlands make it easier for players to earn money daily while enjoying the game. Players can win rewards from ranked tournaments, play, and quests, so no matter what your skill level or collection size is, there is always an opportunity to learn and earn. Moving on, the third game on our list is Io. Basically, the game pays you by completing micro tasks, but here's the fun thing. The game also gives you opportunities such as playing games in order to earn cryptocurrency. What's gonna happen is that after you complete a few offers, you will start to earn some money and they will reward you in their own cryptocurrency. Moving on, the next game that caught our eye is Worldsoppo Io. This site is amazing, just make sure you spell that right. Once you connect to the website, you'll notice that the game lets you create your own universe. They've even got their own 3D models which you can use. So go on and experiment. Let your creative juices flow as you navigate this game. While you're in there, go on and take advantage of their mining process because get this, they have over 1,000 mining farms in there. You can totally use this to generate an income passively by using the mines to generate cryptocurrency on complete autopilot. As you can see, there is about 4,000 Ethereum game economy value. It's worth around $8 billion in the real world. This is crazy. This is a seriously big amount. You can also enjoy this with other players, so it's definitely worth getting into. Moving on, the fifth game in our list is actually, scratch that, because the next thing on our list isn't even a game. Here, let me explain. You can connect Sweatcoin to sweatcode.in and it'll simply pay you for being active. So if you're already an active person, you might want to try this. It'll pay you for each step that you take, so better take this along as your new running buddy. Basically, what's happening is that they're converting your steps into currency, and you can use this to buy really cool products and services. So just a heads up, they aren't going to pay you in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. But instead, they've got their own cryptocurrency called Sweatcoin, but it doesn't really have a value of its own. Instead, they have over 300 partners, and using the coins that you earn, you could use these to purchase items at their stores. So the value of Sweatcoin is mostly derived from their wide-reaching partnership with other businesses. The reviews speak for themselves. It's currently rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars, and that's pretty impressive in my opinion. It's a great app and quite popular considering that your operating system doesn't matter and you can even find the app on the App Store. The sixth game on our list is called Island and it can be found on lifeprivateers.life. The game itself is pretty interesting. Basically, in this game, you live the life of an ordinary inhabitant of a pirate settlement in the 17th century. This in itself is a very unique concept. You'll have a little roleplay in this game, isn't that fun? Bonus is that you aren't limited in frameworks such as courtesy, law, morality, tactics, and strategy. The goal as a player is to do your best to survive. All in all, it's a pretty enjoyable game, and to top it all off, you're going to earn credits. So what happens is that whenever you complete certain quests, these are called LDM, these credits have a real value and you can actually earn them. So in this way, you're going to receive real money for simply playing a game. Now the next game on the list is called Alien Run. Most of the games we've introduced in this video are meant to be played on a desktop or laptop, but this game is actually a mobile game that you can play on your mobile device. And the best part is it'll pay you in Bitcoin. This game is actually very popular with a whopping 9,000 reviews and an all-time high rating of 4.4 out of 5. It's impressive the amount of positive reviews it's gotten. If you enjoy playing mobile games, then I highly encourage you to play this game. But take note that there are a lot of games out there that you can play for cryptocurrency. So it would be wise to do your research first and see which one is the best fit for you. Moving on to the 8th game in our list, we've got Spells of Genesis, an arcade game that you can play on both your computer and on your mobile phone. Pretty cool, right? I don't know about you guys, but the last time I checked arcade games were only when I was a very young child. Obviously, the younger generations can't relate. Anyways, the cool feature of the game that I love the most is that this game lets its players trade with each other with real cryptocurrency. This in itself makes this game stand out from other competitors who usually don't let their players trade real money with each other. They usually ban the players' accounts who do this. So the game itself sounds pretty awesome. They were actually featured in Forbes Bitcoin magazine and the reviews on the game are pretty positive with a rating of 4.3 out of 5. People seem to be very pleased with this game overall. In fact, Spells of Genesis even has some pretty popular partners such as the Blockchain Game Alliance. And last but definitely not the least, we've got Neon District. If you want to find out more, you can head on over to neondistrict.io to learn more about the gameplay. Basically, it's the cyberpunk RPG of the millennium. If you guys are into these games, I highly suggest you give this one a try. It's great graphics-wise and the gameplay is really enjoyable. And besides, if you guys are already playing video games as a hobby, why not turn it into a profitable side hustle that can make you earn money? So, that's it. These are the games we highly recommend you to play if you want to earn some money on the side. Our channel is always dedicated to bringing you fresh content that will help you figure out the best side hustle for you. If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. That's it for today and see you soon.